a folding iPhone? That's the latest rumor, with Apple supposedly on track to join Samsung and Huawei and a growing group of device makers planning to make a folding phone. While Samsung could arrive as early as this year, it is rumored that the folding iPhone is in process for 2020. We have been looking for what we want in such a device, and why we want a folding phone in the first place. As a category, the new and brave form of collapsible phones promises to double the screen space in a smaller footprint. That will equalize more unprocessed screen space for you, and also shake up the flat design that has reigned over all of us since the iPhone's debut in 2007. Apple, Samsung and Huawei have all the R&D dollars and engineering intelligence to throw behind a folding phone. But even if Apple's folding phone is years behind that of a competitor, Apple's status as a mainstream leader could turn a niche folding phone for early adopters into must-have. The question is, what will a successful folding iPhone look like? It could resemble the ZTE Axon M 2017, whose two screens open like a book and whose software allows you to go full screen, use two applications side by side and duplicate the screen with the same application on both screens. Or it could adopt a completely new design, perhaps a single folding internal screen that flexes and bends.